Hello everyone, I am Harsh Kumar Khatri and in this video I will be telling you how you can create your alarm for your instance which we have created 2 videos back. What is an alarm? An alarm is a thing which will be sending you an email when there is something wrong or some of the status check is failing for your instance. You can create your alarm in 2 ways. The first way is you can directly click on that bell plus icon. The second way is that you can visit the status check and then click on create status check alarm. I'll be using the first one. You can see here that we can send a mail to whichever mail we specify. Here I have specified my mail. I can create a topic for which I have to send a mail. After that, selecting this, I'll be seeing from which domain I'll be getting an email. If we want to specify some action which are to be taken when a certain condition is met, that we can select on take action and we can select any of that recover that instance or stop or terminate or reboot the instance. I'll be simply unticking it because I don't want any action to be taken. After this, when we want this email to be sent, we can select this from here. Like whenever the average usage of CPU utilization is greater than or equal to a certain percentage, then this email will be sent. I'll be choosing that when the maximum of the CPU utilization is greater than or equal to 85%, then a mail should be sent to me whenever this condition is met. And for at least specify that when this email is to be sent, like when your CPU has CPU utilization of greater than 85% for one consecutive period of 5 minutes. Like for 5 minutes consecutively, this instance has a CPU utilization of greater than 85%, then an email will be sent and the name of alarm which will be triggered is given here. You can simply rename it as test alarm. After this, whenever this condition is met, I'll be getting an email. I'll be attaching a screenshot for an email which I have already got, as it is impossible for me to show an instance state at 85% CPU utilization currently. After fulfilling these all conditions, I will simply click on create alarm. After that, you can read that alarm created successfully. You can click on the alarm to view additional details and options in Amazon CloudWatch opens in a new window. This alarm which we have created is created with the help of Amazon CloudWatch, and we can click on test alarm to see different options which are there. I will simply click on close. So yeah, that is it for this video.